Welcome back to a new episode about how to add comments in PHP. Comments are usually written within the block of PHP code, so right inside our PHP opening and closing tags, to explain the functionality of the code. It will help you and others in the future to understand what you were trying to do with the PHP code. Comments are not displayed in the output, so they are ignored by the PHP engine. So let's create some lines inside our PHP code. Let's create a variable age, and let's set it equal to 24. And even if you don't understand it, it's alright, because we want to focus on comments. So let's echo out, my name is Dari, and let's create a new echo, and let's say, I live in the Netherlands. And what I want to do is to comment out a couple of lines. So if I save it and refresh the browser, you can see that my name is Dari, and I live in the Netherlands. There are two types of comments in PHP. You have a single line comment and a multi-line comment. I want to focus on the single line comment first. And the single line comment is used for quick notes about complex code or to temporarily disable a line of PHP code. So if you want to comment out a line of code, you just have to go right in front of the line and you just need to add 2 backslashes. And you can see that my color is changing as well. So let's add 2 forward slashes, let's save it, and if we refresh the browser, you can see that my name is Dari just disappeared. With the fact that the comment is not displayed in the output is, well, let's make my screen bigger. Let's hit right click on my web browser and let's inspect the page. Right now, we commented out an echo, so that must be printed out on the screen, while it was before. And if we open our body tag, you can see that my comment just disappeared in the output of the browser. So let me close it off. Let's continue on. You could also replace the forward slashes with a hashtag. And if we save it and refresh it, the output is still the same. So let's remove the comments. And what I want to focus on right now is the multi-line comment. And the multi-line comment is used to comment out a large block of code. And the way you do that is adding a forward slash and a star. And you can see that everything after the beginning multi-comment just got commented out. So you need to close it. So let's go right below our echo. And the way you close it is with a star forward slash. So let's save it. And if we refresh the browser, everything just got disappeared. So let's remove it. And I want to give you 2 quick tips why you should use comments. Because using comments let others understand your code. And what I mean by that is that if you have a pretty complex piece of code, you can just go right above your code, hit 2 forward slashes, and just write some text which we're doing right below your code. So let's say, creating a variable of my age. And I know that, well, this isn't pretty difficult right now. But if you come back a year later and you just look at your code, you know what you've did right here. And that's my second advice of why you should use comments, because you remind yourself of what you did. Thank you for watching this episode, and I will be seeing you in the next one.